Welcome to DIY Tech.
How to fix orange light on router. Check the Ethernet cable. Ensure that the Ethernet cable is connected firmly between the router and your device and that the cable is plugged into the correct ports on both devices. Ensure there's no physical damage to the Ethernet cable, such as fraying or bends in the wire. If you find any damage to the cable, replace it with a new one. Allow router to cool. Like any other electronic device, excess heating isn't good for the router. If your router begins to heat up, it will affect your internet connection. To fix this issue, all you have to do is let your router cool down. Then, disconnect it from power and any backup battery it is plugged into and allow it to cool down completely. Clean the dust out of your router. Similar to the heating issue discussed above, dust can also cause unexpected problems with electronic devices. Make sure that you regularly check your router for dust. You can open up the back panel and use a dry cloth to clean the dust out of your router. Reset your router. The last option left for you to consider is to reset your router to its factory default settings. Doing this eliminates any faulty settings that you may have accidentally configured that may be causing your network connectivity issues. Find the reset button on the back of your router. Using a paperclip, press and hold it for about 15 seconds while the router is still powered on. Once the reset process is fully complete, the router will power up automatically.
Thanks for watching.